Well, we all know them. It's Google and Yahoo and Facebook and Twitter. 50 million users in Twitter in no time at all. What did they all have in common? Well, every one of them understood the power of viral networking. What makes viral networking work? It's free. It's got to be easy and fun. Those are common denominators in all companies that have understood viral networking. What if you created an incentive? If you told 20 people you could get paid, not only on those 20 people, but you could get paid on as large a network as you could develop. You see, that's viral networking on steroids. How does Blastoff create that? Well, first, by a cool, customizable homepage, cash back when you shop, and commissions with people, through people in your viral network that buy services online. You see, that's the third thing that Blastoff has brought together. Is the best shopping venue that you can find on the internet anywhere. USA Today says that shopping is a $156 billion industry expected this year. Folks, that excludes auto, travel, and prescription drugs. That's a massive industry. But what if one company under one umbrella put together hundreds of all the top vendors, names that we already know, that we're already familiar with? Target, Starbucks, iTunes, The Gap, and CompUSA, all under one umbrella, and you got paid when people purchased. How incredible would it be? Well, let us give you an idea of exactly what we're talking about. Again, it's free, easy, and fun. You refer people, and if you started with just 3 people who said, hey, this is a great idea, 3 people who said, I'd love to refer somebody, and they referred 9 people, and they referred 3 each, that's 27, so forth and so on, 10 levels of separation, that would be 80,000 people. Now, why we can't guarantee that you will have 80,000 at 10 levels of separation, what we can guarantee is there will be thousands of people with 80,000 people in their network, folks. Think about it. What if somebody in that network went and bought wireless? You would be paid $2, 10 levels of separation on all 80,000 people that bought a wireless device. That's 160,000. What if only 10% of those people did so? Well, that's 8,000 people at $2. That's $16,000. You work out the numbers. You start to understand why Blastoff could create such massive market penetration so quickly. Now, here's what's so unique. Blastoff has created an exclusive pre-launch partnership that you have an opportunity to be part of. Now, we won't get into great detail here, but understand the links on this page are 5 major areas that Blastoff has identified people need services in. The legal industry is one of the oldest institutions in the history of the world. Pick up the phone book, one of the thickest single section is attorneys. People need access to the legal system. They've been overcharged for repairs. They've tried to return defective products, receive traffic tickets, sign contracts they wish they would not have, just needed a will prepared for their family, or had something on their credit report that did not belong there. People are intimidated, don't know who to call, think it costs too much money. They don't want to pick up the phone book and call an attorney for $200 or $300 an hour. So what has Blastoff done? They've partnered with this solid New York Stock Exchange company. This company that was founded by Mr. Harlan Stonecipher some 35 plus years ago to give the average American access to the legal system. We've been featured in every financial journal you can think of. Cover of Money section of USA Today, beside Jeff Bezos and John Sperling of the University of Phoenix, is Mr. Harlan Stonecipher, over 4,000% growth in the last 15 years. Why? Because we have a service that people need access to. And how does this work directly with Blastoff? Well, because of this exclusive partnership, when people have a Blastoff page, they can also get access to that very elusive thing called the legal system in 7 major areas of coverage. It begins with preventive legal services and goes all the way through to the identity theft shield. 7 areas of coverage, 1 flat monthly fee, and we cover the entire family up to 23, off at college, not married. As simple as this, folks. Let me give you an idea of one of our areas of coverage. Unlimited phone consultation. You can call an attorney 5 days a week, 8 hours a day for anything under the sun. A letter or a phone call written on your behalf. Unlimited. That means as many letters or as many phone calls as you need, 1 per issue, but as many issues as you have, you can have a law firm write a letter or make a phone call. Contracts and documents reviewed up to 10 pages, and a will prepared. Now, what's a good will cost in America? $500, $1,000 for a husband and wife or significant other? Folks, this is the first area of coverage alone. My wife had a $750 hospital bill. They gave a verbal agreement, the insurance company did, to pay it, and they did not pay it. We didn't want it to go on our credit report. We called the law firm. They wrote a 2-page letter, and within 2 weeks, that bill got paid. I had a friend who had a U-Haul situation. He went to pick it up. He had a contract, no truck. It cost him $300 more to rent the truck that day. Well, he called his law firm. He had his contract reviewed. He got consultation, and he had a letter written on his behalf. And you know what? He got a check in the mail because they should have honored their contract. Common, everyday legal situations. 7 major areas of coverage. That was just preventive alone. Now, we can't cover all these, but you start to get an idea. Motor vehicle legal services, to have an attorney show up and represent you if you get a ticket anywhere in the United States, to work to keep the points off the license. Why we can't fix tickets? We can keep the points down. Trial defense, if you're named in any personal civil suit, you have up to 335 hours of trial time. Tax audit services, you're covered up to 50 hours of help back to last year's tax return. A preferred member discount. The Legal Shield, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You get detained, questioned, or arrested. You can pick up the phone and call an attorney. And the Identity Theft Shield. Folks, that's the last area of coverage, and we do more than just give you a credit report. We do more than monitoring. We do restoration. You sign a 1-page limited power of attorney, and Kroll Worldwide, the largest private investigation forensic accounting firm in the world, will restore your credit back to the original state prior to the identity theft. And if that's not crazy, we will safeguard your entire family, up to 4 children, with monitoring and restoration for as little as $1 a month. We're not talking about just a monitoring service. We're talking about full-blown restoration. Now understand, we do all of this for $35.95 a month. $35.95 a month to put an entire complete wall of protection around your family. We build the business in a number of ways, and we won't get into detail here, but you got to understand, a 37-year-old company, publicly traded. We call on small business owners and group employee benefits. We get paid very well in advance commission overrides and residual income for life. People are always looking for leverage, and that's what we offer. Now, we've created all this without a blast-off partnership. But can you imagine what can happen when you see a plan that is this lucrative? What can happen when you create massive awareness across the country? And that's why this partnership exists. Now, briefly, we're going to give you an example of what we mean by our compensation and how lucrative it is.